Right then, you two friends, it's time to make the hamper out of all the lovely things that we've been making in the last several videos. So we've got the granola, we've got gingerbread man, we've got fudge, we've got this sloe gin, and we've got nuts. You could put the nuts in if you wanted to as well, and you could put the alcoholic free hot mulled drink in as well. So just a few ideas to make a hamper. So what we've got here is a nice lovely hamper basket. Okay, simple one. Put some red ribbon on and tied it, and then I found these nice little placemats, and what I thought would be nice if we just lined the basket with these placemats and then let them hang over just that little bit over the edge to make it so that they're all the right way up, overlapping them as we go, and then inside will all be nice and decorative too. Okay, making sure that it looks neat from the outside as well, and all the same length. Lovely. Okay, and then I've got another placemat that I'll probably just pop down at the bottom as well, just to fill it in so it all looks really nice in down there and festive. So we've first of all got those beautiful, if you remember, garlands in a bag, so we're going to place that in there as well, and then our sloe gin in there. Then we have our white chocolate and cranberry fudge in a tin, that in there, like so. And then we've got our lovely Christmas spice granola as well, and we'll put that in there. Just trying to fit them in. I was going to put the spice nuts in, but I don't think they will fit, so it doesn't matter. I'll probably put one of the lovely Christmas trees in as well, sticking out. I like to put a little bit of Christmas in, so anything that you've foraged as well. Put a little bit of ivy in, fresh rosemary, a couple of cinnamon sticks as well. Often I put that around the mulled wine spice. Got Christmas trees for decoration as well. And then on the other side, on top of the handle, a little ribbon, one of those little red bows, like so, and then a little tag, who it is to. So that hangs nicely on there. Just stick that in, hang it up there actually. Tighten up a little bit more. And that. So I hope you agree that it's all come together quite beautifully. And all the gifts are inside, and that's a homemade hamper full of goodness, and you can tell everybody what is in it. And I hope it's inspired you to make one yourself.